There we go. So this live trade room is strictly for educational purposes only. This is not a signal services. I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. All the statements here is basically how I trade, basically to illustrate how I trade what we call the basic system of kingdom trading concepts. It's very basic. It's all based on price action. So I also must say, because some of you, they like
Hello?
okay. So now, what was I saying? Ah, those people want to copy trades, you can do so, but at your own risk. I'm not liable for any losses that you may incur on your valuation account or your PA, otherwise known as a performance account or funded account. You make those, it's up to you if you want to copy my trades to those accounts, but I am not responsible for any losses. With that said, I am not a licensed nor professional trader. I don't try to be. I'm also not a licensed financial advisor. Okay. I am just merely a retail trader, just like all of you in here. Just so happened I learned the hard way by losing 100,000 US dollars. So I want to avoid you guys to do that the same. So anyways, any past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay, let me get to the screen. Now we had some news, and I think we're gonna have some news here. Hold on, share my screen. And I was so busy because I was meeting with I don't know, Iron Beam. They've seen my education. They said they want to be a part. So I'm really excited about that. I'm just gonna get everything finalized with them. They've reached out to me. And so I had to pursue what they had to offer. And so far everything looks good, but I'll finalize the details on that once I know what's going on. They saw my education. They said this, they want to partner with me in terms of my education, and partnering with them is for those people who want to fund or trade their funded account or their own funded account. It's called Iron Beam. And those people based abroad or not who are not living in the US, they are very good because they cater to the traders who are not in the US. Okay, with that said, let's look at the market here. I know there is news. I think, yeah, it's 10 o'clock. That's why I'm not trying to. No wonder. The federal chairman Powell will be speaking, and once he opens his mouth, everything goes haywire. So, those of you who took this trade, right here we had we had every time you accumulate right here, right? You see the accumulation. What does it do? Breaks out. Now here's the pullback. It's not very subtle. It breaks, pulls back, and that's when we take your trade. You got it up there. Every time you wait for that pullback, again down, pullback. Here's your entry going down. So those of you, and I know Robert, you took those trades. Is he Robert? Is he here? Uh, is Mr. Yeah, I don't think Robert's in here yet. Okay, so those are the good trades coming out here. This is basically pre-market is around 8:30. Again, there was no news. So it was safe to trade during 8:30. And there's your what we were saying, the accumulation or the range. Once they break out, there's the pullback, and then you go to taking that trade. Same thing here. Strong. You don't have to take. There's a lot of traders there. So I'm missing this trade because of this strong momentum, but always wait for the pullback. And there it is, pulling back to the mid band. There's your entry. You could have gotten all the way down here. The outer band. Your target is always, most of the time, will be the outer band. So now here we're now accumulating. You can see. We'll see what's going to happen here. Yeah, we just opened. That's why this is the opening, and that's where we're at. Hello, Alan. How are you doing? Are you working? You must be working. Hello, Dennis. Miko.
Alan's playing hooky from work at the moment.
Well, welcome aboard. Have you been looking at the indicators I gave you? How you like it?
Yeah, I've actually was up late last night, uh, establishing all my charts and back testing and stuff. Yeah,
Okay.
it's I like it a lot because it's my style of trading. And actually, the reason I didn't talk much in the last group was because I was still trading similar to how you are right now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Good. Well, Alan's been following me ever since my days back in Apex. In fact, you still owe me Jollibee. Well, no, let's forget it.
Yes, I do. I'm actually would love to come there. We were talking about going to the Philippines soon, so
Yeah. Yeah. Well, if you
love
do,
to meet up.
yeah, exactly. Likewise. So Alan's been following me ever since the days when I was with Apex. I had a trading room over there, and he was following me back then. So I always welcome his friendship, and he's been following me all over the place and trying every indicator that every place I've been going to, and I value him for that. I really do. But hopefully, let's have you getting to the payout line. Have you been going to the payout line, but not consistently? Is that what it is, Alan?
Yeah, I've had
Okay, good. Yeah, I remember that
payouts,
other, yeah,
but
exactly. Okay, good. Well, at least we will make that consistent. Okay. Let me see here. Who else? So you can see here the movement there. We did break out right here. See this? We slightly broke out there. What we have. We came back down, came back. There's your railroad. That's your entry there, but you can see it's kind of weak momentum. Why? They're waiting for Powell to open his mouth. That's why it's not, there's no momentum. Powell's be speaking at 10 o'clock and they want to see what he's going to say. There are some reports that said that they don't want, they rewarned that they don't, they do not want to hear what Powell is going to say. He's like, I don't know if it's negative, but that's what I've heard. So let's see what the reaction is when he talks. So that's going to be a 10. And that's why you see during the open, you have a lot of volatility, but look at this, the opening, it's dead. It's dead. And that's what they're waiting for. So while we're waiting for that, you guys have any questions at all? Trade setups, and I think I sent a video there in our chat group about the ultimate trade setup where you can just do that one and done trade that Karen always does. And also Leia, are they here? They must be trading. Yeah, because I don't have a gatekeeper, so I don't know who some people are waiting, but I have to know who are waiting. Justine, I can't find my sim options on accounts. How did you sign up, Justine? Did you sign up the connection as that NinjaTrader brokerage? Justine, you trying to connect?
Waiting for oh,
Yeah. Were you able to connect or what? You still can't find the SIM account?
where is it located, sir?
Huh?
Where is it located? The connections.
You were able to connect. You were able to connect sa sa data mo?
I'm oh wait. Rhythmic for NinjaTrader profile.
Right. So yeah, tama.
Okay.
So here I'll show you what you should be doing. Let me get my
Okay. Okay, I'm here.
okay, connected ka na?
Yes, po.
Okay. Now when
Thank
you
you.
yeah, so when you trade right here, kita mo dito sa gilid sa okay, you should have this. Click on that, right? And go to chart trader. It should show on the side here. Make sure
Okay.
when you trade, you're doing this SIM 101,
Sim
not your evaluation account, your SIM 101. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Yep. Okay. So we got you set up there. Okay. Let me see here. So I'm trading this. I already hit my profit target for Billnox, but that's only the second day. I have 3 more days. So I'll be trading the micros here until my 5th day. So I'll probably trade 1 or 2 contracts, and that's about it. So I can count as a 3rd trading day. They can require 5. However, I bought 2 Apex accounts. One, I just renewed my 150K account, which I like. there's only that rate of $40. So I also got a 25K account. So hopefully I can either qualify in one day for today, since I'm expecting a lot of volatility for Friday, because there is volatility on Friday at the end of the week. I'll be trading that 25K, and hopefully I can get that qualified in one trading session. I mean, today. So we'll see. Again, I'm not expecting anything. It's just what the market gives me. And that's what I just tell everyone. You can't tell the market I'm gonna make 1,500 today. No, you just have to see what the market is willing to give. Okay. So that said, we'll see what's going to happen here. And you know what? Since we have time here before Paul starts talking, I want to make sure, since this is the end of the week and there's going to be a lot of volatility and a lot of people trading either their evaluation or their PA account. So with that said, let's pray. Trader's prayer. Father God, as we come and we begin this trading session for Friday, we seek your guidance and peace of mind in our trading as we utilize these charts. We acknowledge that you are the ultimate source of wisdom, and we humbly ask for your discernment, your insight, and your understanding, Lord. As you said in James chapter 1, verse 5, if we need wisdom, ask you, since you are a generous God, and you'll give it to us. You will not rebuke us for asking, but however, when we approach you, we have to approach you in faith with no doubts. So Father God, we surrender the outcomes of our trades into your hands. Help us to trust in your sovereignty, since you are a sovereign God and you control everything. And we find peace in knowing that you are in control. Guard our hearts against fear, greed, and impatience, and grant us a spirit of discernment and sound judgment. Again, help us to make compelling trading choices that align with your goals and values for our lives, and give us the wisdom to resist impulsive actions. Remind us that our worth is found in knowing and serving you, and that financial success is not the ultimate measure of our success or our identity. Our identity is found in you and you alone, Lord. May we be a good steward of the resources you have entrusted to us, by using them wisely and for your glory and for your kingdom, Lord, and to give back your blessings to those who are in need. Once again, guide our steps, protect us from harm, and lead us according to your will. And also, Father God, protect us from any spirit that may come in our trading room that may cause us some, not harm, but some negative experiences. So may you protect us, and also may your Holy Spirit guide us as we do our trading session today. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so where are we here? Again, not much movement. We just want to see what's going to happen. I'm looking at my other chart with the deviation, and we're between the VWAP and the +1 deviation. So that's really arranging. When the market is between those two deviation levels, it's usually indicating it's going to be in a range until we see some type of breakout. So yeah, we'll wait till 10 p.m. Let me see here. So we're just right above okay. So when I'm looking at this, we have the VWAP is around at 19,705, which is just right here. Let me draw this. So it's at 19,705. That's where the VWAP is right now. Right around here, right there. So it's trying to bounce off there. You have the VWAP there, and you have the +1 deviation somewhere out here. So it's really just going between those two. Now, when you guys get more advanced, and we'll be offering that, the VWAP, and I know Alan, most of my students here know about the VWAP, like Anna, Alan, who else is in here who knows about the VWAP? Ed. Yeah, those are the people. I don't know if soft. No, I don't soft. You didn't take that, but those are the people who know about the VWAP. So they have the VWAP template. That's going to be offered in advance. I want you guys to get really, really known about how to trade this based on price action, and that's the most important thing. fact, the VWAP works really well with the Ninja Renko that we have here. So that's gonna be offered sometime down the line, not right now. But right now, we want you to get not only pass the evaluation, but also get funded. And that's what our goal is. Okay. So Alex, you must be wondering, wow, what is this what I'm looking at?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just listening
Yeah.
and absorb as
Okay.
much as I can. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just see what you see, and I'll eventually explain to you sometime that, in fact, when you pick ahead. But here, Alex is the one who is doing our creatives for Kingdom Trading concepts. And I didn't ask him; he just volunteered. And I said, "Hey, I'll take that," because I saw all the work he's been doing with his thing, and I said, "Okay, if that's what you want to do, then
Yeah.
it's him volunteering his talents that he's been blessed with." And so I said, "Okay, so have at it." So you'll see some of the things going on through with a Facebook page. He'll be doing all the creatives on there, and I gave him the free. I told him to let the Spirit work through him. So
Mhm.
that's what I'm letting him do. And you can see there's a lot of good, nice creatives, especially the logo that he created, which I really, really like.
Well, you blessed to me, man. You've been a brother to me, and I know you're doing the right thing. I know your heart's in the right place. I just felt compelled to really contribute, just as much as I can. You know where I'm at
Mm.
in life, and I was like, I gotta punch it back. This is not. It's a one-sided fight right now. I gotta punch it back, and I was like, I'm just gonna do it. So,
Thank
but,
you. Thank you.
I mean, no problem.
That's why every time I look at Alex, I always see Cortez, but they're about the same body type, same thing. So
Yeah, I'm excited to meet. I'm gonna share. I'm just saying it because we mentioned him quite a few times, and I was like, man, I can't wait to meet this guy.
yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, fun.
Trust me, man, he is overkill. There ain't all that.
Like Dom has done so much in the last couple months that I've known you, and I'm like, bro, I'm like, yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna take your word for everything. You say that a camel can fly, sure.
Bill. He's a man full of a lot of information, a lot of knowledge,
Hmm.
and very giving guy, man. You can't. They don't build him like that too much no
Yeah.
more.
That is not something that most people are. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it's not about me. It's all, like I said, everything I
Mhm.
wake up by his grace, and that's about it.
Amen.
I'm
Amen.
given the gift of the air in my lungs. It's through him and not me.
Come on.
And every time I wake up, there has to be a purpose why I wake up. It's not my purpose.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Is that me? No, I'm just saying I honor you, man. I mean, if anything else, that's what I really meant. I just honor you.
No, likewise, bro. That's what it is. That's why small group is very important. We fellowship among brothers. We also fellowship among sisters, and that's the most important thing is the fellowship. Since we live in a broken world, we need to have that fellowship.
Amen.
So, anyways, that's that, and that's why we have this community. We want to build a community of trading, a tight knit trading community, but at the same time, our focus is in the kingdom, and that's very important. And we are led by the Spirit. So that's the most important thing. We're building a trading community. Like in our spiritual walk, we cannot do our spiritual walk by ourselves. We need to have a fellowship, and that's the same thing in our trading journey. We have to have a trading fellowship so we can feed off each other and help each other when we do have those losing days or even losing weeks. We always tell ourselves, do not quit, because it's really a journey, and that's what it is. Okay, well, that said, looks like we're breaking out. Here we go. 10 minutes. You can see we already broke out there. Now, when you saw that breakout right here, let me back to my here. So I don't like this where you don't see my cursor. Ah, here we are. Okay. Nope, that's not it. This one. Yeah. So here, we already broke out, right? Now there's your pullback. And we'll see what happens here. I just want to see, again, I want to see what happens. I want to see the results of what's going to happen. That's why I'm not trading right now. I'm just going to see what happens when Powell speaks. Because right now we're above the VWAP. We're looking at this as you see. Yeah, we're in a bullish market right now since we're above the VWAP. Again, here's the pullback, and again we're on the outer bands here. It may continue. This is the high of the day here, so it's going to test the high of the day since we already broke this. I just want to see what they want to do, and that's what I'm going to wait for. You guys, right here, you could have taken this trade, but again, what do we see here? We're seeing higher lows, especially here. Remember, I was telling my students, you see the first time it pulls, when it just crosses over the mid band, that's an entry. So you have the crossover, there's the pullback, you could have entered right here. If you didn't want to enter there, you could have entered right here. Every time you see that crossover, and we'll call this yellow line as the wave, the yellow wave. So when you see this yellow wave, see this right here, it crossed, where's your pullback? Right here. But you can see you didn't probably get your profit target, but you would have, once you see this reversal candle here, you could just close your trade out for a minor, minimum loss, but you would have gotten back here, made up for that loss coming up. So here we're pulling back. Again, look at this. When you look at this, look at this angle of the yellow wave. Now you see there's one there, but do we want to take that? Because this angle is really not going up. And we're also in the outer band here. So I'd be a little leery, and especially here, what do you see here? We're already crossing this average, what we call the MACD average, which is that white line. So it may just do the, okay, so it breaks up, that's fine. I mean, I don't usually take those trades until I see a very good trend, and it's not a strong trend. You can see I don't know, they may create a double top here. So now you have the angle going up, which is good. But let's see who's going to test, because now you see this, it's not really crossing over that white average. It's just bouncing off it, and then looks like it's coming down. So that's why it's creating this double top. There it is, right? There's your double top. And now you have the angle coming down. So that's why always look at what's going on here. If it doesn't cross that average, that white average, it's not going to go up. Oh, Calvin's here. So here we're, again, we see this. You could have gotten it right here, because now we have this. Since we crossed a double top here, there's your entry right here going down. You would have got your 100 or whatever you're on your minis. You could have got your 100 and so forth. Hello, Calvin. Welcome aboard. In terms of joining this trade room, you were here were you here last night? I think, Calvin.
Yes, I was. Hi,
Okay.
everyone. I was.
Okay, welcome aboard again.
Thank you.
So here we saw that double top. Every time you get a double top, you always trade we call this the neck. Right here's your entry coming down. If you see another double top, you see this double top right here, your entry would have been here. In fact, it didn't quite get there. Did another railroad, your entry would have been here coming up. You would have got your 100 or so forth. Okay, every time you see a double top like that, or even double bottom or double top. So now we see here, we crossed over. Now this is basically a pullback to the downside, but look at this, still going up. So I'm not gonna really, because we don't get a reversal candle here at all. So there's really no trade. Let me just come back up again, bouncing off the daily pivot. So again, we have 7 minutes before Powell speaks, and that's the reason why this market is moving slowly right now. They want to see what he's going to say. Oh, John's here. So let us go up and down, see what happens. Hello, John. Welcome, John.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Okay. Hey, let me know. I'm gonna message you, John.
Playlist, boys.
Because since you're already a past student of DTA, message me. I can offer you a special discount if you're interested in joining.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
And I know what you've been going through. You still going through where you're at right now in terms of your how's your leg?
I'm getting around. It's a lot of arthritis, but I gotta
Okay.
I'm picking up a brace next month. That way
Okay.
it can go under my shoe and I can
Okay.
try to stay walking more than 15 minutes.
Right. So currently you're not driving your truck anymore, right?
No,
Yeah.
they told me I couldn't do that no more.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Message me, remind me so I don't forget. I'll
Okay, I
offer
will.
you a special rate.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So what is it? 5 minutes before Powell speaks. So they're breaking that. They're breaking that. This should I say a major swing. That's the major swing. Why we have the double top right there. They barely broke it. They broke it down. Now, this is almost like a pullback. So when you have this pullback, it may, once it creates this pullback, and you can enter right there. But this will probably take off to the upside since 5 minutes. That's where they're going right now, unless they bring it down. Here's the high of the day. They're going to test that. Now, do we have anything up there? Yes, we do. We have so we're above the +1 deviation. It's not on here, but I'm looking at my other view app. And they'll probably test the +2 and +3 deviation, the way this is going. Yeah. So this is the high of the day. It's right below the +2 deviation. And you can see where the first resistance level is way up there. They may try to go for that. Sam, did you take any trades? You were asking me if you should go. I think you said you should buy. And I just saw that now.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Yeah. You said should I go buy? Is that what you said?
Yeah, I just saw it on Instagram. I was wondering, is it the right time? The 80%.
Ah, what time was that? Was that around earlier or what?
I just saw it like a few minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
They posted it. So should I buy or
Don't do anything right now. Let's see
not
what
right now?
Paul. Yeah, don't. Well, let's see what Paul is gonna say, because he's gonna move the market.
Okay.
He's definitely gonna just him opening his mouth. It just moves the market. So there, we created we just broke it up, but not much. That's what we call, again, what we always call a bull trap. They didn't really bring it up. So now we have this range. We have from here. Yes, they broke that. They'll probably break this as well and then come back up again. They're just gonna be trading around here. And that's the big range, because it's really the width of this Keltner channel. Here's the upper band, here's the lower band. And they're just going up and down. Now you're asking me, can you take these trades? Yeah. You take these trades for like $100. If you're taking the micros, or I mean the minis, you can possibly
Yeah, I've been
do that.
scalping the micros on that.
Yeah, good. Because it's a big enough range for you to do that.
Yeah. I'm up $200 on just micros.
Yeah, good. I should do the same, since I'm only trading 2 contracts here. I'm just trying to get my days in, and I just want to make it positive. So you can see I'm only down $42, nothing much. So yeah, 2 minutes before Powell's speech against forming a double bottom here. Let's see what happens here at the close of this bar. But our yellow wave is down below. So will it continue coming down? We see this here below the 0 line, but it's trying to pop up. See there, there it is. Okay, I gotta make sure that people are not waiting in the room. Are there? No, none so far. Yeah, Justine, just get used to it. You're trading in sim anyway, so get used to it. So here we go. There we are. So we knocked out the high of the day. Let's see if it's gonna get up to that way up here. If it's gonna make it up there, right there.
Order filled.
We took a trade. I don't know if you want to take a trade here.
Those micro scalps with quick moves are in and out.
Yeah.
Target filled.
I'm surprised you get filled because when it goes so fast, sometimes you're gonna get your fill.
Yeah,
Me too.
yeah, I'm just putting a pending.
Okay. Yeah.
Order
Got a good
submitted.
$80.
Oh, you did? Is that Ed?
Yes.
Okay.
Order filled.
So like I said, we're approaching the +3 deviation, and that's where they're taking it.
Yeah. Got some sales over there.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
So I usually start trading this maybe around 5 minutes or 10 minutes when I see you kind of settle down, kind of. Again, my goal here is just to make a profit so I can count it as a day. That would be my third trading day, and I already bought some on Apex. I'll switch over to Apex when I'm done trading this. Right now, this is Buell Knox. I have to get 5 trading days. I already hit the profit target, so I just want to kill the trading days. Yeah, they're bringing it up there. Like I said, they're gonna test that that pivot. Like I said, that was a long way from where all the way from here. If you entered somewhere down here, somewhere, it doesn't matter. And had your micros, you're making money right now. You're holding that trade. Why are you getting higher lows?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're getting higher lows. Just ride that yellow wave.
that 10-minute candle is crazy.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I got a 2-minute candle. That's what I'm working on.
Target filled.
So let's see if you took this trade, not at the news release because that was kind of wild, but right here, once you saw this break, right, it was faster right there, it broke, came down to here. There's your entry. Let me see. So your entry was here. Let's say it's here, right? You saw it broke, came back down, pull back up. There's your pullback into the mid band. Let's see what you're gonna be having right now, all the way up here, right? Because now you have let's say you got all right here, right? How much is that? So you're looking at that as E-minis, you're looking at 1,295, right? So you took what we're trading in micros and multiply that by was my calculator. I think I closed out my calculator. Let me get my calculator. You can see I'm not in a hurry to trade. I'm just taking. So wait to see what those set up. So I want to see what's going on there. So 129.50 per contract. We trade usually 6 contracts on micros or 6 or 5. Let's say you're doing 5. Some of you do 5. So I do 6. That would be a good trade on micros. 647, right? That's actually a pretty decent day on your micros. 129.50 times 6. That's 777. Oh, my number. Cortez, what's the number 7? Or even Alex might know. What's the number 7? Anyone know?
Come again? Did you see him again?
What's the 777?
That's God's number. That's completion.
And thank you. That's completion.
I know something. Yeah, all right.
That's the completion right there.
That's pretty awesome, actually.
Yeah, man. That a coincidence? I don't know. That means you're done for the day. That's what it is.
I'm just nodding my head up and down, bro. That's
Yeah, that was a $777 trade. You're done for the day.
wow.
Don't be greedy.
Boy, I really love those micros. No stress at all.
Exactly. There's no stress at all. There's the breakout. Oh, there's the pullback. I kind of hesitated. Well, I'm talking
Yeah.
too much. Yep. There's the pullback out of there. You would have got. Hey, Alex, here comes Sai.
Oh, Sai?
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, Sai.
Hello, Kuya. Good evening.
Hey, where are you? Are you here in Manila or are you somewhere else?
Oh, yeah. I'm back on my place.
Saan yun? Manila?
Yeah, Mandaluyong.
Okay. Well, akala ko you went to the province. That's why you said you were going to show up at the 4 p.m. service.
Hindi, kasi I'll be serving in the main church.
Ah,
Hindi.
what time? 4 p.m.?
2 and 4.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just gonna be here and watch the trade
Yep.
tonight.
Just watch. Along with Alex, he's watching the same thing because he doesn't know what
Oh.
he's looking at this. He doesn't. I don't know what I'm looking at.
I'm just, I'm just
Yeah,
here
like-
for encouragement. I'm here to say you
Let's
can
go.
do it, bro.
Yeah, exactly. The water boy.
He said, anyone you want some water?
You can do it.
You can do it.
Okay, enough to talk. Let me focus on this now. Okay, so you're saying we're going up. This is a big move. There's a pullback, but again, we're in the outer bands here. I don't like taking that when we're in the outer bands. Has a tendency to pull back to the mid band. So let's see. Let's watch for that pull back to the mid band. Again, we have a swing right here. Let's see if it's going to break that swing or will it create there. Let me see if we can.
Order filled.
And got late into that. So here. Hopefully they try to test this main thing up there. And you know what? I have some delay, I think. Yeah, 6-second delay. That's the reason why I'm showing a. Let me bring this down. I'm showing a delay. 6 seconds. That's the first time I've seen delay. 7 seconds. Guess there's so much volatility going on right now. Oh, I'm trading 6 contracts. I didn't know that. That's fine. I'll just quit this at around. Push back up. There we are.
Order filled.
I had to quit that. So at least I got a profit of 72. I'm happy with that for the third day. So I can have third day there. So now what I'm going to do is switch to my Apex. That was my Buell Knox. Let me see if we can switch to my Apex. Oh, someone new here who just joined. Rona. Hello, Rona. Where are you from?
And that demand would rotate back from.
No, Rona's my invite. That's my,
Okay.
Consistent with
no, my best friend. I
She
told
from
you
the-
about.
Yeah.
Transition. He already transitioned over.
Right.
That's
Okay.
his wife.
Okay. So she's here in the Philippines?
Yes, she's in the
Okay.
Philippines.
Welcome, Rona.
reflected in our communications.
Okay, so where am I here now?
Yes, thank you. Yeah, I hear you guys.
Okay, good, good. Okay. So let me see. So I got that enough. Let me switch to my Apex. Right now it's on Bullnox, so let me switch to my connection to Apex. You can't connect both Nuance and Apex at the same time because they say they share the server on Apex on NinjaTrader. That's why you can't have them both on the same time. At the same time, you have to have either one or the other. So now I'm switching now to Apex. And you see, if you notice, Apex. Remember, you took any one of you who took the survey here, and they said the improvements. Well, they've initiated the first of that. What they did was now there is no there one-time fee now in all of the PAs is a flat $85.
Wow, that's really attractive.
Yeah, they've made that the thing. So there's no instead of the $85 being the monthly payment, is now a one-time fee of $85 for all the PAs.
Guess it's time to get some Apex accounts again.
Yeah. And somebody's been telling me, I don't know if this is going to be true. By the 20, I think this 80% sale is going to be done. I think the 27th or something that after the 27th, they'll offer 90%. So I'm just waiting on that. Just in case if it's true or not. And those of you here in the Philippines, especially here in Makati, they'll be here visiting in the Philippines, Apex. They've already reached out to me. I already did an RSVP. They're doing a big event over in one of the hotels in Makati. And so they reached out to me if I'm interested in joining them because they want to hear what's going on from this part of the world. So if you guys are interested in that, I know that what's her name? Is Leia here? I don't know. She must be trading. That's the reason why. Leia is going to be there as well. So those of you who want to join, I can send you the invite and just do an RSVP. They have limited slots. So they offer free food. So that's thing. Free food and Makati.
What's the date, coach?
I believe September 22nd. Let me confirm that, but I'll send it to you that you're not in the group. I'll send it to you. Okay.
Okay, thank
Maybe
you.
you and Anna can join if you want, but
Yeah.
yeah. So it's RSVP. Everything's free.
Cool.
Okay, you see what's going on here. There's look what are they doing right here? See that? So let me see if I get my thing here. Let me get me set up right here. Wait, I gotta see there's the breakout right now. I'm trying to figure out which one I have here. Let's go this one. They broke out. See that? They broke out there and there's a pullback, but they never followed through. That was like a fake out. But I think they're there. There's your pullback into the mid band. There's your trade right there. Once it pulled back to the mid band, there's your pullback. Now it's going to go up. It's going to test that the resistance one. That's where the target is.
Order submitted.
Again, I wasn't able to get that, but that's fine. I have to set up my account here. I want to make sure I'm trading the right account. Because one account is 150 where I can trade at least 3 or 4 or even more. Just want to see that I'm trading. Where is my Rithmic?
Coach, you're doing the 6 micro contract when you go in.
Yeah, 6. Then if it's
can you share your ATM strategy on that again?
Yeah. Right here. 6. Yeah, 6 contracts right there. 60, 50.
Thank you.
Yep. Really not much momentum going up. Look at that. They brought it down already. So they're at the +2. They're going down, working themselves down to the -1 deviation. So let's see what's going to happen. It's going up and down right now. Okay, I want to make sure that I have the right account here. 224.
Was
Yeah.
hoping they would reach my sell limit, but they never got there.
They never got, yeah. They're going, really, they're just going up and down. There's really no structure what they're doing, to tell you the truth. They're just going up and down right now.
Hey, hi, Coach. It's
Or
Ish.
order filled.
Who's that? Ish? Hey, Ish. What's up?
Hey, I'm driving. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I just I heard you mention Apex with the $85 lifetime fee.
Right.
Is that
Yep.
permanent?
Yep. Yep.
Really?
They change it, yeah.
Oh,
They change it
wow,
over.
that's like-
Yeah.
wow, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any size account.
Any size.
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
Target filled.
Okay. And you're I'm sorry again, one more time. The
Yeah.
your ATM strategy is you're going for 60 ticks, and what's your stop loss?
Yeah. So 60 stop loss, 50 take profit.
Oh, 50. Okay.
Yeah.
And
So
60
you can
stop
see
loss.
it's around close to 150. So you can see where you just filled. My target was actually right there, right over
Nice.
here. It filled 150.
Oh, cool. Awesome.
Yeah. No
All
stress.
right, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. Good,
Hey,
good.
drive carefully.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm almost at work.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep. There's another nosedive coming down. Where we're gonna take this. We're gonna wait for the pullback. You don't take that right away. You guys can, or in fact, there's your pullback. If you caught that pullback, look at that. They're going down all the way down to the VWAP. That's where they're trying to test to the VWAP. Not yet quite there. We want to see a pullback here. Look at that. It's just coming down. I think this is the effect of his speech. That he must have said something now. That's a straight line. No pullback at all.
Yeah, this could
No,
be
it's
the
dropping
effect.
like a
It's
rock.
super dumping, yeah.
Yeah. He must have said something. Remember I said they didn't want him to say something because it's gonna affect the market, and this is what it is. It's so funny coming out. You see that? They created a double top right here. So when you have this double top here, this is your entry. This is basically the neck. There's your entry right here. Or if you want to see it out here, but there's your double top. Okay, so what are we doing here? So we are right now just a lot of erratic moves. I don't know. You pull back. And doesn't follow through. Just goes up above. It's like overrunning the mid band.
Filled. Order submitted.
Just going up and down. The mid band is kind of flat, so you can see there's a range. There's your building the support here. They're trying to get the resistance here, but you can see the mid band is flat, indicating what? A ranging market. Really no momentum there, especially when you have the yellow wave close to the mid band. That indicates no momentum. So you just want to wait. Where do they want to break out? Here's the low, there's the high. Let's see where they're going to try to break out. Not quite a breakout there. Let's see. Again, creating that resistance up there. Not much of a breakout there.
Order filled.
I'll take that spread. Now let's see if they're going to bring this up and down like that. Because if they do, then you know there's no market structure. Look how they brought it down. Hopefully they continue going up since they broke that top up there.
Stop
See,
filled.
there's no market structure. Don't even worth me trading this right now. There's no market structure. No follow through, nothing. So if you're going to be looking at this, you're looking at the range. You know, you see that now they create this new high up here. I can just do it right here. Let's do that. All the way to the low. There's your range. We had the low of the day here. Back, they brought it up here. They started ranging. They might even try to break to the top here since we already have the low of the day. Again, the market's kind of not honoring this structure at all. Let's see, they break out to the top here.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
So you can see they're creating higher lows, higher highs, meaning they're confirming this uptrend. As long as they're creating the upper higher lows right here. Well, let's see if they break this. Right now, that's where the pivot is right here. Let's see if they go up. There it is. They create a higher low, they create a higher high. So as long as they continue this pattern, we're in good position. They're at least gonna try to test that high up there. Again, where was our breakout? It was right here. Pull back. That's where I got here. Once I pulled back here into the mid band, I got in right there. Here is the range. So this was resistance, used as support, came back up.
Filled.
Hey Dom, it's Alan.
Order submitted.
Hey, Alan, what's up?
Hey, yeah, I got an issue with my data for
Who you
I
with?
keep doing Bolinex right now.
Okay, okay. They've been having issues with it.
Yeah, well, it was going good, and I keep clearing my cache and stuff. I'm wondering if I download another NinjaTrader, do you think that might?
No, what
might
you
help?
what you can do is just basically reload your NinjaTrader.
Just log off and log
Yeah,
back in?
Right. No, just reload. Basically, what you do is uninstall and reload. Don't.
Okay.
But the thing is, it won't mess up with your files or your templates.
Those will remain.
Yeah, those will remain.
Okay, I'll try that.
Stop
Thanks.
filled.
Yeah, this was just coming down. So I'm at 287. A small profit, but I'll take it. It didn't really continue going up. So basically, just got up to this point. Never really tested here. Now this was basically a deep pullback. This is fine. I got some profit there, but not at least it wasn't a loss. Yeah, kind of erratic, very erratic.
Order filled.
Well, look at your fill. You look at your yellow line. It's right at the mid band. This is gonna be ranging. There's no momentum right now. And when you have that yellow line with the mid band, there's no momentum. Want to watch that. So it's trying to figure out where it wants to go because they don't doesn't know where we go. Let's see if the forms a double top here. Will it break it? There, they broke it. Pull back. Will they come up? Man, there's no momentum at all. There's your pullback, but never really came up. So let's see what comes up here. Going to the mid band. Nope. Overrun. Let's see if they bring it up. See, they broke that top. Let's see if they bring it up here.
Order filled.
Got my target on that. I'm on
There it is.
NQ.
Regular E-mini?
Yes.
Good.
I haven't set up my chart for MNQ yet.
Ah, okay. So there, I hit my target. I'm right now, I'm just getting my target. I'm not moving in it because they see I try to get greedy. It just gives me doesn't really, it's not really following through sometimes. So I got that on at 436. So I'm happy with that. Gonna test that R1. It finally got up to R1. So let me take this out. See, it's not really following through. So I'm happy just scalping 150 on the micros. See, they didn't follow through that. The reason really bouncing off the yellow wave, and what happened? There's a reversal, never followed through. I'd rather have them pull back right there. Hopefully it follows through. There's their pullback. Let's see if they have a reversal, which is right there.
Order filled.
No, this is gonna go down. In fact, they're right at the mid, they're right at the zero line. Look how they're hugging that zero line. Let's see if they can give me a 150 again here, just enough, but no, it looks like they're gonna pull back up here. They're now below the 0 line here. They're coming back down. Let me see if they pull it up before they, yeah, let's see. Man, this is wicked. Are they gonna actually pull it up or were they gonna keep on? They didn't create a lower, well, they didn't create a lower low. Just by a tick. Yeah, they're gonna- we're at the 0 line on the MACD, so let's see if they bring it up. No, they decide. Now that yellow wave is down to the downside, see that? So we're,
Stop
yeah,
filled.
they stopped me out. So there's your pullback right here. You see the yellow wave down, there's your pullback, there's your entry. You would have gotten that. I was in the wrong end. I was in the wrong side of that trade. Still green. And you can see, look, this is all over. It's really erratic. They broke the bottom here, brought it back up. Created a lower, that's your lower high here. What are you gonna do here? Not break it. So now they broke it now. Where they break this major one. They create maybe a double top here. If there's a double top, your entry would be down here. Now you have the yellows, you have the yellow line above the mid band. So they're all over the place right now.
Yes, it's nasty at the moment.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
Oh, Powell. The effect.
Yeah. They don't know where they want to bring it. They're just they're trying to knock out all the traders that they can.
True, sometimes I imagine that too.
Yeah, yeah, they're just knocking them all over the place. So here we
Coach,
do
did you
have,
say it?
go ahead.
Coach, did you say it reached your R1?
Not quite. See
Okay.
this? See there? Just a little short. There's your R1. Did it reach yours?
Yeah. Yeah. No, it did not. Just a few
Yeah.
ticks away.
Yeah.
I've got a sell limit over there. So
Look at how that went down. There's your pullback. It broke that. Okay.
Order
I mean, this
filled.
better come down. And there was a delay. So let's see where this is gonna go. Well, I don't have my ticker. That's why I don't hear. You know, why is it so quiet?
that's what was missing.
Yeah, that's what it was. I go, it's so quiet. Man, this is just so erratic right now. It just doesn't want to follow through here. Oh, just great. I just lost my. Yeah, it's going way up. You see, it never really followed through. Take strike. There, I got my ticker back. Okay, let me see if it's gonna come back down there. Let's see if it comes back down. Hopefully now it continues all the way down. Let's see. With the erratic behavior, you actually need a wide stop. And that's why it's really advantageous to be trading this micros because you can afford the wide stop.
Yes,
way they're-
exactly.
Yeah, the way they're moving right now, man, they're all over the place.
I'm really considering that now. NQ is killing
Yeah,
me.
yeah. It will. It's gonna kill you,
Yeah,
especially the way
especially
they're.
I have a
Yeah.
tight ATM here.
Yeah. The way they're moving this, it's all over the place. Now they're gonna break that, or are they gonna do it? Now they do it. Well, let's see. They do a triple top there. Yeah, triple top. I want to bring it down so I can bring down my stop here. The way they're teasing me, they might have hit my quadruple top. They tested that 4 times before they bring it down. Oh, you're gonna test it again. Hopefully they have a lower high here. That will confirm the trend down, but let's see. So right now they're just testing that, they're testing this right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Hopefully here they're gonna have a lower high, and then we're gonna have a lower low to confirm the downtrend. Other than that, we'll be like in a range, it looks like. Let's see if they break that low here and create a lower low. There we go. So we created a lower high. Now we're lower low. So let's see if they continue. And that was you can actually see the price action in this very clear, right? Eventually hopefully get down to my target finally. Took like several routes getting there, but not the direct route. Yeah, they're gonna try and bring that up again. So hopefully it's gonna create a lower high again. So if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna bring this here, just in case. The way they're going, my trailing stop right there. Give it some room. There we go. Let's see if they break this lower. Here, break this to lower low. Right now, okay, so let's see if hopefully they remain lower than this. And if not, I will have it here so that I don't give back too much. The way this is moving. See if they can test this low of the day right here. Let's see if they test that. Man, look at this wild swings they're doing. Okay, I'm gonna leave that up here. Oh, they create a double top here. They created a lower high there. Let's see, they create a lower low now. And I thought they were done testing that. They came back and tested it again. There's your double top. Yeah, that's a good day to trade micros. You really need that big white stop. I couldn't even place extra. I couldn't scale in because it's all over the place. Usually when I know it's gonna go direct, I usually scale in for another 6 contracts, but right now it's just all over the place. I can't really scale in. So like right now, it didn't really get down there. He created a lower low, but not low enough. Here, let's see what's gonna happen here. Will they go bounce off this, or will they bring it up now finally? They're just all over the place. Hopefully bring it down.
Stop filled.
That's fine. I'm at 565 right now. Again, it's a 20. This is a 25K account.
That was a good trade, coach.
It's trying to hold on to that. It didn't, you know.
Yeah,
Is that
I would
Karen?
have done the same. Yeah, yes,
Hey,
coach.
hey. Yeah, they didn't. They just held on to that +1 deviation. That's where they bounced off on. I was thinking they were gonna try to test that VWAP, but they didn't. How's your training? You got your goal?
Well, one and done. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, one
exactly.
and done.
Yep. That's probably
Well, it's also my first day trading MNQ on my PA 50K. So 170, 150.
Yeah, that's
So
the way the market's moving. That's pretty good.
yeah, yes, coach. I'm happy. So I stopped after that.
Yeah. And it's so erratic. There's no straight line coming down or going up. It's just going all over. the place.
Like what you said, this is very ideal for MNQ.
Yeah.
You can't run the trade like this if you have NQ.
Yeah, you'll be out. Well, this is a typical Friday, especially. Well, it's a Friday. This is what you expect on a Friday, but also when you have Powell speaking, that added to the exasperation of this market. That's what they did. It's all over the place.
All right. PPP day.
There, now it's gonna go down where I wanted it to go down, but they had to bring it all the way up there again.
Just gonna range here, yeah,
Hmm.
before it wants its direction.
Let's see if they can break down here. They break this down. Let us see. There's your double bottom, or even triple. Let's see if they break. So congrats, Leah, on your how many is that? 350K accounts? Or Leah, I mean Karen. Getting you guys mixed up.
Yes, coach.
Good job.
Actually, I'm really contemplating if I should trade today because for some reason I can't read the market.
No, you can't. You cannot read. No, you cannot read. Let's see what happens in the afternoon here. So here's the breakout. I'm waiting for a pullback. I think your pullback was really here. Really came very subtle where you could have just calmed down. But there's your breakout. There's your breakout right here. See this? You could have gotten here. Yeah. See, here's your support. Came down, hit this as a resistance right there. There's your pullback. Very subtle and came back down. Oh, they're so tricky on a Friday. They're very tricky on a Friday. So now here we're at the -1 deviation. But not -1, the 0.5. Yeah, -0.5 deviation. Let's see if they can try to get down to the pivot point here. Okay, so there's your pullback. Oh man, they could have stopped some people here. I'm waiting for this to come down. See how many times they test that. So let's see. There we go. There it is.
Filled.
There it is. Oh my God, I had
There
to
it
switch
is.
to ES. NQ is so.
There it is. But
Oh my
you
God.
know, there was a big slippage when you did a market order. That's why. Look at that. I'm at 714. Okay, I'll take that. There was that was a big slippage.
Yeah, I think even your Zoom hangs at the moment, coach.
Yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. Even my screen is all the way down there. Wait, hold on. There we go.
Yeah.
There it is. It hit the pivot point. Like I said, it hit the pivot point. That's where we're bringing it. Once they broke this out, you know that target was going to be the pivot point that brought it down. So now at 714, again, the profit target here on this 25K is 1.5. So I'm halfway there.
So
I might
got
just see. I gotta see how they trade the afternoon. I can probably make it up there. So here they're bringing it down all the way down to the like I said, the -1 deviation, and there they did. They're actually going down all the way down to -2. Look at you didn't even have a chance to really enter a trade here. It's like catching a knife. Look at that. It's going back. You're going all the way down. They already surpassed the -1. You can't really catch this.
I hope no one's buying this.
Oh, Cass passed the second past evaluation. Congrats. Is she here? Cass. I think that's Rye's friend, I think.
Okay.
Is she here?
No, I don't think so.
You don't see her? Okay. She passed. Congrats. That's one of Rye's friends, right?
I have no idea, coach. Sorry.
Let me see. Oh, Nero's here. Nero's here. Hello, Nero. Let me see. Because she was here last night. How you doing?
Hi,
Very good,
Nero.
Hi, Coach. How you guys doing?
Hello.
Yeah, it's
We
nice
have
to see. I mean, it's nice to hear you again.
We're here.
Yeah, we're all here. All here.
And like I said, Nero, I like what you said. So that's why I had no problem with that. We're not in the drama, right? So
Yeah, and I forgot. I'll just let her learn, Coach. That's all. That's all I'm
exactly. And that's what it is. That's what we want to do is really educate people. And that's our bottom line. It's always been our bottom line with the coaches of Karen, Leah, Rye. That was our always bottom line. Nothing else.
Yep, no
Thanks,
hyping.
Coach. Thank you, coaches. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Likewise, thank you. So here we're just really going up and down here. It's really hard. again, best thing to trade right now is MNQ. So Fanny, are you done? You quiet.
Yes,
Ed,
sir, I'm done.
you're done? Yeah, good. The way the market is moving, you better be done. Ed, how you doing? Kagara.
I'm doing good. I got a couple of $1,000 trades.
Wow.
couple. Just couple.
Just couple. I'm all green, by the way.
Good, good.
Wow.
And I passed one of my PA. It's only a 25K. So.
Oh, hey, anything's good, man. Is anything's good? Congrats.
And Apex paid me for the other one already.
Nice.
So,
Again?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, sir. Congrats.
Thank you.
Trading this new strat. Trading this strategy. Yeah, good.
I actually get 1,000 early today. So
Nice.
using this
Strat. Good.
strategy.
Nice. Now, my question is, would you mind sharing? I'll just black out your name, your funded account, or your funding.
Yeah, I will.
Okay, so I can, that's more credibility as to how this strategy is really working.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll just block.
Thank you.
I'll just blur out your name or your last name.
Coach, even if you don't blur out my last name, that's fine.
Oh, is that okay? Okay, I blurred out. So yeah.
I'm giving you permission.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I just want to, confirm that this strategy works with not much. It's really price action. Price action is always king, and that will always be.
Yep.
So here, okay, you look into this chart. This just had a bigger range. That's what happened. See what happened here? We had see the midband, and it just basically flattened out. You had your range here. They tried to break it up, they didn't. See this was really a fake out. This is a fake out. They brought it up. They brought you a pullback. They tried to bring it up. Most of you would try to take that, brought it back down. That was really fake out. Because usually that's what we do. This is the resistance. It pulls back. Now it's being used as support. It goes back up. There's a reversal bar. It never really followed through. It did give you that 1 or 2 ticks to take it. It would basically fill the order there, but then they brought it down. Well, that's really tricky. Here they finally brought it down, but where's your pullback? Really none. It just kept on coming down. That's why these markets on a Friday are pretty tough to trade. And I recommend on a Friday, trade your MNQ. That's why I'm really picky with my trades right now. But on a 25K, you have to be, especially right now, I'm halfway there. But I'll just be cherry picking my trades. How about you guys? How you guys doing? You see, so Ed's doing good. Karen's doing good. Justine, this is her first time she's doing her sim trade, which is good. At least she's getting experience. You don't have to be winners all the time. Just letting you get experience how the market moves. Cherian, you're in Batangas. How are you doing?
I'm good, coach.
You good? You green?
Yes.
Good. You like this new clean chart?
Yes, I like it so much.
Okay, good. Exact. Okay, yeah, I'm posting that. Sayang Karen, wala ka dito when Apex comes out here. It's in September.
No. Who?
Huh? Yeah, Apex is coming out here in September.
Oo nga. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Kaya nga, coach, nanghihinayan.
Leia is gonna be there. So
I know.
Ed, hopefully you and Anna can join. At least we can make it.
Yeah, I'm planning to join, except that 23rd I'm flying to Canada.
The next day? Is that what it is?
Yes, but I'll try it.
Well, at least the airport is close to Makati.
Just the same Resorts World.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, if that's gonna be a weekend, coach, yeah, I can do
No,
that.
I think it's during the week. I think it's a Thursday. I gotta make sure. It's a Thursday, I think.
I think Sherry Ann Martin will go too. Plans to go too.
Yeah, hopefully. We can make a big group over there.
Nice.
They just want to get some input. Those of you who want to join, let me know. We'll send you the invites to see if you can make the RSVP. They want to hear all the people on this side of the world about Apex. That's what they're doing. Okay, so let me see. They tested this. I think that's the high of the day. I think. Well, is it? Yeah, it's the high of the day. They never really got up to this. Oh, that's not the high of the day. I'm sorry. Where's the high of the day here? I thought they hit it. Oh, there's the high of the day, close to the R1. With the +2 deviation right now, so let's see if they're gonna bring it up.
Order filled.
Oh, man, they like doing this. They don't really want to follow through. Let's see if they're gonna bring it up. If not, I'll get a loss here.
Stop filled.
Yep, there it is. So they're bringing it down. Ah, Emil, that's good, especially in this type of market. You're still green. Very good.
Yeah.
Good job. Pretty tough market for a beginner. And you're green. Very good, Emil.
Okay. Good night,
Good night.
Dom.
Good night.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Look at that. They brought it up. Where are they exactly? Oh, they're in the -1 deviation. Okay, they're bringing it up to the VWAP.
They're back at DPP again.
Yeah.
Hey, coach. By the way, my friend Dennis Mondido.
Yeah.
He's in Korea right now, and he's communicating with me. What's the best way he can reach out to you? He plans to go with us as soon as he gets back from Korea.
Yeah, I saw he messaged me. I haven't read it, but I'll message him back. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, is Dennis your friend? I didn't know that.
Well, since we started to know each other from a different group, we kind of like stick together. I mean, every night of trading, we're
Right.
on a call. I mean, yeah.
Wow.
Good.
He's a very good man. He's a nice man.
Yeah. Marco, is he leave? Hey, good job, Marco. Just like your dad. You hit your green, you hit your profit goal. Very good, Marco. Have a good weekend.
I might bring, coach, I might bring Keisha, my nephew.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll bring him in. So,
Okay. Good.
and I'm done for the day, so
Enjoy your
Good night,
weekend,
everyone.
Ed. Enjoy your Ed.
thank you.
Okay. Take care. And congrats again. Share your funding certificate.
Thanks. Yeah, I will.
Okay.
That's
Okay. Thank you.
Ed.
Good night, Cherry. Yeah, you're green. I know that. Good night. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the holiday.
Yeah, no over trading on Friday.
Yeah. Yeah, tough market right now. Look at that. That would range again. Look at that. That's almost like the red, white, and blue. Well, not really. I'm surprised Lay's not here. She must be trading.
Wait,
Hopefully
let
she's
me
doing
see.
okay. I mean, she's been having trouble with her internet. That's the reason why. Hopefully she has better internet.
Let me see. I haven't checked my socials yet. What's happening?
Yeah, look at this. They're just all over the place right now. Okay, so there's your range. Now let's see if they can pull back here. So there's your tight range right here. They broke it, but there's really no pullback. Really no pull. They usually pull back here, but there's none. You just let it go and let's see what they do here. That's all you can do. Where are they? They're back to the -1. We'll try to bring it up again. When I talk about -1 and so forth, that's a deviation level. So that's what they're trying to. They're just all thing. Yeah, I'll probably wait to see what happens around lunch.
Order filled.
Don't tell me trying to bring it up after bringing it. Well, they have a double bottom on that one. Let's see if they break that.
Stop filled.
Nope. Yeah, I am delayed.
Order filled.
Man, look how erratic those. You know what? They're so erratic. Well, hopefully they can bring this up to there. Where let's see if they can bring this up now. They basically broke this. There's your pullback. Let's see if they continue with this pullback. I'm gonna actually have this way down here. The way they're moving this. It's all over the place. So you have your higher high here, right? So let's say they continue. I just had to give them more space to breathe because the way they're moving this, they're all over the place. Yeah, good job, Rona. Yeah, just watch how it moves. You'll eventually, like for a lot of people here, they don't know how the market moves actually. And you'll learn, Rona. You don't have to have you do not have to have experience to trade. You'll learn. If you have that passion to learn, you will learn. Again, look at this. They're not even following through. They broke out from this one. There's your pullback. There's your trade. I should have just kept my thing there, but right now we're still having a higher low. Let's see if they don't. Hopefully they don't try to. Okay, good. So here they broke this now. Let's see if they break this major one. The moves are so erratic. That's why. Yeah, I'll in fact, if you are, I'll reach out to you sometime. Okay, Rona. If you're open to learn, then that's all we need. You're open to learn. Oh, here they finally bring it up. That's why you have to have a wide stop. Those major ones, you have to have them using the major ones. That's what they're using right now. They don't care about these intermediate ones. They're looking at these. They broke this, brought it up. There's your higher high. Here's your higher low, higher high. Look at that. Look how erratic that is. Let's see what you're gonna do with this low here. Are they gonna create another higher low? And you thought they'd start bringing it up, but they're bouncing off this major level right there. Major resistance. Let's see if they can break it through. If they reach my target, I'm done for the morning session. I'll probably trade in the afternoon. So they did create a higher low here. But right here, not a higher high. We have a double bottom here. We have on double top. If they have that, let's see if they go lower than that, then probably bring it down. But let's see. They'll probably test this high to see if they can break it. You do have a higher low. And here you have a higher low, lower high. So there's a battle between here going on here. You see where the yellow line is in right at the mid band again, meaning there's no momentum. I'm gonna just let me see. Maybe I'll just bring my profit target back down. Let's see if they can bring this up finally. Let's see them break that there. They broke the resistance. There we go. Now will they follow through? They pulled it back to what? Let's see if they go back up. Man, so I can get my stop down. Hopefully they bring it up. There's no market structure right now.
You mentioned,
Yeah, go ahead.
you mentioned something about Apex coming to the Philippines.
Yeah. I'll get the exact date. I'll post it in the group chat. You got nothing in your email? They sent an email.
Let me take a look. Let me see.
That was like maybe a couple of weeks ago. Or maybe a month ago. You may want to check your spam folder or something.
All the money I spent, they should be giving me VIP tickets.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. You're like a gold star member, right?
Hey, they should have called me. They should have called me personally.
Yeah.
You know, mass emails.
Hey Dom, it's Alan.
Hey Alan.
Hey, it's been so long since I had to download my software. I got that chart up, the screen that says live trading or sim, and I just can't remember for the.
It should be sim. It should be sim.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep. Alea. You must be done trading.
Here.
Hi.
Leia.
I did not read today. I don't like Fridays.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, but your internet back or what?
Huh?
Is your internet back or no?
Yeah. It is. But just watching the market today because I don't.
Yeah, this market is rough. Look at that. There's no follow through whatsoever. Nothing. But now they're bringing it down, which you didn't expect is going to do that. Well, yeah, kind of, because they're doing here, they have your lower lows right here. But when they bring it down, they bring it down really fast. You can't really get in there. There's your pullback. Oh, man. Just look how fast this is.
I'm gonna wait maybe later afternoon.
Yeah, I might do that same thing.
Trade my PA with that kind of
Because there's a lot of erratic moves. You can't, when you place a market order, there's so much, what you call it, slippage
Ah.
because of the volatility. There's just so much slippage.
Hmm.
Order filled. Stop filled.
They broke this low, and now they broke that high. Man, they're just going all over the place here. Okay, I'm done trading this thing. You really have to have a wide stop on this thing. Okay, I think I know where I'm going to enter here.
Order filled.
Where's my stop? Tell me I don't have a stop here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Sorry about that. The view app. So let's see what they can do here.
Order filled.
Okay, I added another 12 contracts in there.
Target filled.
Yeah. Trying to move my
Hey, Kuya Dom. I'm heading to
Hey.
bed right now.
Okay.
Right.
Good night.
Right,
See
good
you.
night. Good night.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Dom, did you notice that they have an Apex Philippines designated for the Philippines?
No, I didn't know that.
Apex
They have a
Fund-
website?
Yep, apexfunding.com.
Order submitted.
Wow. A lot of members over there or what?
Yeah, they're gonna go here in the Philippines on September.
Yeah.
Gonna go.
Yeah, I
just
think,
say
yeah.
that for me.
Yeah, they confirmed it. RSVP.
Yeah, we're trying to get people to come out there, especially on this group. So hopefully there's gonna be a big turnout. So when is it again? Is it September when? 22nd? Leia?
23rd? Was it 23rd?
Like a Thursday or Wednesday or something like that? It's not the weekend, I know.
I forgot it's on my.
Yeah, I gotta look. I gotta look. Yeah, this is gonna be drawn into my last trade right here. They may have one more push. They're trying to get this to at least the +1 deviation. +1 deviation is up at 19834. One nine eight three four.
And coach, Apex will be there Tuesday, September 24th.
Tuesday. Okay.
Mhm.
Tuesday? On a Tuesday?
Tuesday. Yeah,
wow.
6:30 to 8:30. At
2 hours?
Makati.
Yeah.
Yeah, Makati Diamond
Order
Residence.
filled.
Well, I guess I just have to wait for their Canada business trip.
Yeah.
Meetup.
Yeah.
Request ka. Punta naman kayong Canada ka.
I think that's more amenable for them because they're just in the US, diba? They can go to Southeast.
Yeah.
Southeast Asia. Just tell them about Karen, that I'm an Apex finalist.
Yeah, exactly. Cortez was saying, well, they should give him a VIP with the amount of money he spent.
Correct.
You know? So where is this? Yeah, 198. Yeah, that is my line. That's where the V1 or the V1, where the deviation. Let's see if they try to bring it up there. I think that's where their target is going to be. That's how the pattern is when they do the VU app.
Hey Dom, Alan.
Hey Alan, is it
Hey,
working
guess
now?
what?
What?
I got it working, but I lost all of my indicators and everything.
What?
Yeah. So
Well, you download it again.
Really? What did I do? What was the mistake that caused me to lose all my stuff?
I don't know. Because you had to reinstall it because of what was going on, or else you wouldn't have to do that. I think usually when you reinstall it, it saves the files that you have there.
Was I supposed to delete it off my computer and download it again? That's what I did.
Yeah, but when you download it again, usually what happens is or once you reinstall it, it saves some files there.
Yeah, I
doesn't
cleaned everything out, all of my years of stuff.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So guess what I'll be doing this weekend?
Rebuilding that one. Oh man,
Yeah, at least it's
sorry to hear
working.
that.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, it happens when Ninja updates. It happened to me as well, and I need to install everything again from scratch.
Yeah,
Well,
because
at least-
you were having issues with Buellnox, that's why, right?
the data, I don't know what the cause was, but it's crazy. I was like in a winning position and it was showing me losing. That's happened to me in the past. And I kept clearing the cache and everything, and it just kept happening. But at least I'm green on everything. So
okay. Yeah, I guess this weekend you're gonna be loading up the indicators and the chart profile again.
Well, it's probably a good thing because I had so much crap in there I didn't really need, and this distracts me, right? So
Okay. Man, there's really no follow through in this thing. Here, they went back down to the VWAP. Let's see if they get back up to they only got to the chase line. That's it. Yeah, let's see what happens to this trade if they bring it up here. They're gonna try to bring it up again.
Okay, now MNQ is better. Yeah, you guys are correct.
Yeah.
MNQ is better.
Yep. Especially on a Friday. How crazy.
60 stop loss and 50 take profit for 6 contracts.
Yep.
Oh, perfect. I already have a 150 there. One winning trade.
Yep. You just do that 300, then 450. Then it's easy. It's easy to get 500.
Coach, you had an ATM strategy that scales those in, right?
No, in fact, I only scale in when there's a pullback.
Okay.
Because that's your high probability when it pulls back. If it's in right now, it's really erratic. You can't. That's why it's hard for me to. This one I did is based on that pullback, but you know, see how erratic it is. Right now, my stop is so wide that the only way, if it goes really against me, then I'm gonna lose. I mean, I just have to keep adjusting my stop loss. I'm just allowing it right now for the room for it to move. Right now, my bias is the upside because I know where, you know, if you know the VWAP, the pattern they do the VWAP, the target is where I have it right now. If it stays true, and you know, hopefully it does, because that's what they usually do. Especially when you got down to the -2 deviation, most likely to get up to at least the +1 deviation, and that's where my target is right now. And that's why my target is way up there. I have it up there, and hopefully I have 12 contracts right now. Well, let's see if it can get me past my evaluation in this 25K. So I'm not that much. I'm not even positive on it, right? Let me see. I'm not negative on it with my losses. Let me see here with my. Let me see. Man, there's so many. I can't even see my things. Yeah, I'm up $43. So if I can just, if they can just bring this up, I'll be happy. But you see, they ran out of juice. They're just waiting for that. It's 11:24. Watch around 11:45. They finally bring it up, and that's what they usually do. They make a major move. Well, it can be a major move up or down. Let me see if I can adjust my.
I noticed that too, Coach. At around 11 to 12, they do something like a beast mode. It can be an up or a down.
Right. And then they take their lunch break and they make the move again around 12:30, 12:45. Right now, they're supposed to be where they're supposed to be. During the end of the week, they want to be within the 1 deviation. Because that's where the traders get their bonus. If they can close out the week within 1 deviation of the VWAP. And that's where they're at right now. So they may fluctuate between the +1 or -1, but as long as they're within that range when they close at the end of the day. Yeah, then plus they're also close to the pivot, right? The daily pivot. That's what they call an STS, the daily pivot Friday, daily pivot Friday. and they're not that far away from the pivot. Let's see if they have that one big push here to end before they go on lunch. There it is. Let's see if they can push this up.
One more. Got it. I got my 300. Two
Good.
winning trades.
Good.
It's a V2 shot.
See, they have enough momentum to break this, this major right here, this major swing point right here, right? I want to see them break that, and not just break it and come back. Well, they might pull back there. They pulled back. Let's see if they come back. Oh, they just lost. Let's see if they can pull back. Not that much. Let's see if they come back up. You really got to give them room. Here, let's see. They're gonna test that VWAP again. Is my thing delayed? Yeah, 6 seconds, 7-second delay.
Hey, coach, I'm head off.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for
Okay.
letting
See
me
you
in.
there.
All right.
Yep. See you
Have a
there.
good night.
You too.
Coach,
Have a good weekend.
You too. You too. Thank you.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, that rough Friday. See this. I gave them and now they're going back up to the positive. See how much of room you had to give them?
Yeah, that's anxiety for me.
You need to have that much room. So they tested the VWAP again. That's where they're bouncing off. So let's see if they can bring this up. Or will they bring it down? I see they have some algos coming in as buyers. Let's see if they come in. We'll just wait for the outcome of this trade, then we can end the session. I'll give another 15 minutes. waiting. They go- either go up or go down right now. They're just they're just gonna push it. Right now, it looks like right now the bias is to the upside. But let's see if they're gonna finally push this up. Bring in some momentum. Right now, there's none. So they broke up that. Look at that. You see how many they did? They broke this, right? No, they brought it down. They didn't even continue. No follow through whatsoever. Nothing. See if they gonna test it again. Trying to keep me in the ball game here.
Have a good day, Coach. I'm done. Have a good weekend.
Hopefully you're green, Soph. You green?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Have a good weekend. See you next week. Yeah, I'm giving this until 11:45. If they don't make a move here, I'll probably close it down. Oh, they broke it again. Let's see if they continue going up this time.
That's a beast move.
Yeah, but you had to wait for it. Did you have to have the patience?
Yeah, I know. Beast mode.
So you can get my target there, like the +1 deviation right there. See if they can hit it.
So you have a VWAP on your other screen, coach.
Yeah, yep.
Nice.
I don't ever trade without my view up. I want to see what pattern they're doing on there. So yeah, well they do.
There
They
you
have
go.
Yeah, let's see if they're gonna can bring this. Let's see if they're gonna do it. Let's see what they do. Man, they just brought this completely down.
Stop, Phil.
Look at that.
Oh.
At least we still have 6 contracts available here. Let's see. Let's see if they bring it up. Let's see if they can bring it up with 6 contracts. If they do, I might add. Let's see.
Order submitted.
I mean, like I said, the ranges are so big. Yeah, they're bringing this down.
Order filled.
Still positive 219. I'll take that. I'll take whatever green I can get. Okay, so not quite made it up there. Now they're bringing it down, and I don't want to be part of this thing. Because they're playing around with the VWAP right now. So you guys enjoy your weekend. That's it. I thought I was gonna
Thank you,
make. I thought they were gonna bring it up to that +1. That would have been a great trade. At least, I should have quit there when I was already up 1,000. That's what I should have just quit.
But you were able to get some profit, coach, right?
Yeah. I'm
On that
green.
trade. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna go. Maybe it's gonna revisit that again. Yeah, we're just on the VWAP. Chase line to chase line.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. Yep.
4 to 4.
Yep.
As they call it in SDS.
Yeah.
Okay, coach, thank you. Happy
Okay.
Friday.
You guys have a good weekend. See you guys on Monday. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye,
Yep.
everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye, coach.
Bye-bye.